Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today's lesson is about questions, making questions, how to change the statements to questions. Let's have a look at these sentences. These sentences have got a helping verb, auxiliary or modal verb in them. Okay, so sometimes we are going to change a statement, a sentence that has got something like am, is, are, was, were, can, could, shall, should, may, might, do, did, does, and these kind of things inside them. Okay, so we can see those things. What we need to do is to take that auxiliary, that modal verb or helping verb, whatever we call it, we need to take that one to the beginning of the sentence, and then that sentence changes to a question. We just need to change the full stop to question mark. Okay, let me give you some examples. For example, the sentence is she is crying. Okay, she is crying. I can say is in the sentence, so she is a subject verb. I can replace these two and say is she crying? Okay, so I took the verb, the helping verb, or in this case which is the to be, to the beginning of the sentence, and that is how we change the statement to question. She is crying, so is she crying? That's how we change it. The next one is he can swim. He can swim. I can see can in the sentence, so I just take can to the beginning of the sentence and I have changed the sentence to a question. Can he swim? Can he swim? Okay, so you can do the rest as well. You just need to take that helping, auxiliary or modal verb to the beginning of the sentence and you have changed that statement to a question. But what kind of question? A yes-no question. A question that is made by taking the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence is called a yes-no question. Okay? These kind of questions ask about, and they ask whether something is correct or not. Okay? You can answer 5 o'clock, you can answer very late, you can say in London. These are not asking about a place or a time or a quality. They are asking if something is correct or not. So you have to answer yes or no. Okay? Is she crying? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Can he swim? Yes, he can. No, he can't. So you can see, we just answer the question. When we are asked these kind of questions, we automatically answer yes or no. Why? Because we are not asked for any details. We are asked if it is right or not. Okay, so these are called yes-no questions. Now let's look at these sentences. In these sentences, there is no helping verb, modal verb, or any auxiliary, whatever we call them. There is no is, am, are, was, were, can, could, or anything like them. We just have the main verb, okay? And we know that we can take the main verb to the beginning of the sentence to change it to question. Like, I like cats. I can't say like you can. Oh no, that's not how we change the sentence to a question. Okay, the statement to a question. So there is another way, and that is, when we do not have any kind of auxiliary verb, then we borrow do and we put it in the beginning of the sentence. But before closing the sentence, we need to make the necessary changes. What do I mean by that? I need to, when I bring do to the beginning of the sentence, I need to be careful with the tense of the sentence. Some of the sentences have third person as their subject, so because of that they have s on the verb, like goes. Okay, he goes. Then when I take do to the beginning of the sentence, goes should not be in the sentence. That es, on goes, should go to do, and go turns to simple one. Okay, just go. Goes changes to go, and do changes to does. Then instead of saying he goes home, I ask, does he go home? Okay, so I bring do to the sentence, I bring do and put it in the beginning of the sentence. Then I need to take anything that is extra on the verb. If I have ed on the verb, I need to take that ed, give it to do, and do changes to did. So I say, she liked the cats. Then I say, do goes to the beginning of the sentence, takes ed from like and changes to did. And then I have did on one side and like in the middle of the sentence, because ed has traveled from like to do. So what I have at the end is, did she like cats? Did she like cats? So that is how we change these kind of sentences to questions. So 1. If we have helping verb in the sentence, we take that helping verb to the beginning of the sentence, and that is done. We just need to change that full stop to question mark. The other group of sentences are the ones that do not have helping verb in them. And we can take the main verb to the beginning of the sentence. What do? We call do to the sentence. Do comes to the beginning of the sentence, still in third person s, or ed, or let's say the second form of the verb from the verb and turns to did, and then we just change that full stop to the question mark. So these, anyhow, if we bring do to the sentence, or if we take that helping verb to the beginning of the sentence, anyway, they are called yes-no questions. So questions that start with a helping verb are called yes-no question, and we answer yes or no. Well, this is not all. There are some questions, sometimes we ask for more details. We just do not ask for to find out if something is correct or not, right or not. We sometimes ask for details, for the time of that. We question the time of that sentence, event, whatever it is. We ask for details for the place of that action. Okay, so for place, for reason, for manner and other things, for more details, we need WH. Okay, we make the WH questions, and that is what I'm going to talk about in the next video. Different types of WHs, answering to those, and some more. I'll see you